Here is a look at my horror DVD and Blu-ray collection. We have Dawn of the Dead and Land of the Dead, double feature. Army of Darkness, Visible Scars, The Return of the Living Dead, Krampus, The Ghost in the Darkness, The Final Destination, Drag Me to Hell, Shaun of the Dead, Dance of the Dead, Undead and Alive, Beastly, Fear Chamber, we have the Amityville Horror. I don't have the sleeve for this one, but it's The Devil's Rejects, Dead Noon, Lean on Me. I don't know why that's classified as a horror, but we got The Lost Boys, The Strangers, Johnny Depp and the Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street. We got Green Mile. Yet another one. I don't know why it's horror, but we have Red Riding Hood, The Night of the Living Dead, Pride, Prejudice, and Zombies, Beetlejuice, Zombieland, 2001 Maniacs, 30 Days of Night, Jennifer's Body, Night of the Living Dead, 30th Anniversary Edition, The Exorcism of Emily Rose, Taking Lives, and we have all 8 deluxe DVDs, the Friday the 13th series. There's a collector's mask, and just a bunch of behind the scenes footage. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe.